Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews on Mondays and Wednesdays and fabulous drag looks on Fridays because Fridays are a drag. Oh, in today's video, we're going back again to my unboxings. Guess what? I resubscribed to this sucker. So I'm gonna be unboxing the Boxycharm box. I'm very excited about this. I already picked it, but you're gonna see this with me together. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new videos upload on Mondays and Wednesdays, and sometimes on only Mondays and Fridays. So follow me on social media. All the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this video. So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you might remember I used to subscribe to Boxycharm. I used to upload religiously every month reviews of Boxycharm, and then I kind of got tired of it, I guess, because I was getting too many products I wasn't using, or I don't know. It just seemed like redundant. So I unsubscribed and now resubscribed because they offered me some kind of free money something, and I just bought into it. I was ripe and already. I got that email and I bit into it. That's it. So I got my first box and it looks like this, the card inside. It has a value of $248. I just calculated. Here's the receipts. I deleted tweets. So it's got some skincare. It's got some stuff actually I'm not happy about, and I'm telling you why. I also have something to bitch about if you know me. So we're just starting with the good stuff. So this sucker is Avant Skincare Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Night Cream. Delightful anti-aging moisturizer for use on the face and targeted eye area, which is very unusual because usually they say not to use a face cream on the eyes and vice versa. Hyaluronic acid, what else? It's supposed to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, weakened skin surface, pretty much miracle cream. I'm just being a little sarcastic, but you know, that's what it says. The retail value of this, are you ready to gag and fall? $134. I mean, who pays $134 for skincare? Makes you kind of wonder, is this a real value if it comes to a $25 box? I'm just being a little shady, but you know, I'm just being real. So I tried this before, actually, before I filmed it. Twice or 2 nights, and this is very good. It smells amazing. Like, the scent is so good. I know you guys, some of you don't like scented skincare, but so it's like a little white cream. It's very subtle, but it smells great, and it feels great on the skin. I don't know if it's gonna give me any results because I only used it 2 nights, but I love everything about it. So the next thing, we got Ace Beauty Violet Sage Palette. Actually very happy about this because I love Ace Beauty. They sent me PR before. I have every palette they have created, I think, and I'm in love. Their formula is the bomb. So this is light and airy colors and some deep colors to spark creativity. Definitely gonna make a dedicated video to this one. This is retail value of $32, and Ace Beauty is worth every penny. Look at that. This is one of those indie brands that's absolutely worth everything they're charging because they're good. So, it's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I'm dying. This is my kind of color story. It's purple, it's pink, and it's green, and I'm like living. I don't know why I did that, but I'm living. So I'm going to definitely review this. So next thing we have is the new defense drops. Now this is where I'm gonna bitch and moan. So this is your first line of defense against getting sick. Immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs, immunomodulating extracts, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties. Well, this is kind of like emergency, I guess. You know, the first sign of cold, you're supposed to take it. So this is it. So I did not sign up to Boxycharm to get a nutritional supplement. Sorry, Boxycharm, but you need to take several seeds and stop this. It has echinacea. It has eleuthera, which is like known to have properties, healing properties. Organic astragalus root, organic rosemary herb, organic I can't pronounce it. Schisandra berry. Schisandra. I know, I'm going places with it. Anyway, I don't know if it's just a quack thing or is it real good stuff. So I'm being a little shady just because I would rather get my own natural supplements and cold medicines than get it in Boxycharm. I subscribe to Boxycharm for makeup and skincare. I don't need this, but you know, whatevs. We'll see. So this retail value is 35 bucks for this. I mean, I would just get the emergency for like what, 5 bucks? I don't know. Then we got cosmetic skincare brush set. So this is interesting because I thought it was a makeup brushes, but this is what it looks like. Let me open this for you. So this is a cleansing brush. And I think that's a massager. It's like a very jelly kind of thing. So these two create gentle exfoliation. I guess it's this one. And effective deep pore cleansing. Bring spa experience home with dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. I might actually use it afterwards. I might leave a comment if I don't forget and pin it because I haven't tried it yet. So you can use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or mask with ultimate precision and no mess. So I guess the creams for this and this is to clean. I mean, that's interesting. I'm definitely going to use it tonight after I take my makeup off. So the brush set is 25 bucks. Actually, that's not bad. Even if it was just without Boxycharm. Sophia and Mabel satin powder highlight. Oh, girl, we're going to put it on right now. I have a little bit, but there's always room for more. Your new secret weapon. Highlight brings a blinding glow. We're going to see. To glow to wherever you apply it and buildable without looking cakey. Okay. Powder formula glides on skin with a satin finish. Peach Sangria is a shimmer copper and gold. Oh, okay. I see what it is. They sent me wrong color. I'm not trying this. This is $22 retail value. I never heard of that Sophia and Mabel. I put my skin tone as light medium. I don't know in which universe this could be a light medium skin tone. I'm not gonna touch it because most likely I'm gonna save it in my pile of makeup for the future giveaway. I might do a giveaway like on Instagram instead of YouTube because my YouTube is literally like nowhere to be anywhere popular. So Instagram is better, but yeah, this is definitely, it's like literally a blush color. It could probably look the bomb on deep skin tones, not even medium. I don't think it could work on a medium. You see how dark this is? Yeah. Yeah, and there's no way I could use that, so I'm not gonna put my paws on it. This is clean. And I'm gonna save this for a future giveaway. So much for that. And this kind of like disappointing too because I clearly told them what my skin tone is and they sent me this dark highlighter. So, yeah. So this is it. The highlighter was what, 22 bucks. I think I already said that. So that's pretty good retail value. $248 for a $25 box. So I'm not mad at it. So what do you guys think? Have you been receiving Boxycharm or did you cancel them like I did? I mean, I'm really happy about this. This alone is worth the buck, so I can't really bitch about it. But, you know, I had to like throw a little bit of subtle shade here and there. It's just my nature. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week, or sometimes 2 times a week, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box. A huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I love you all, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!